That's 1 minute. That's how long it takes a semi-truck driver to haul 4,000 pounds of cargo across America. But behind the roar of the engines lies a tougher story. America's trucking industry is facing real challenges. There's a growing shortage of drivers with fewer young people stepping into the cab. Long hours, tight schedules, and weeks away from home are taking a toll. Many drivers work 70 hours a week, often under pressure to deliver faster than ever. And with rising fuel costs and stricter regulations, it's not getting easier. Yet the industry keeps evolving. Technology is changing the game from GPS tracking to electric trucks, and even self-driving rigs are being tested. But nothing can replace the skill, the focus, and the grit of a real trucker. These men and women are the unsung heroes of the highway, keeping shelves stocked, businesses running, and America on the move. So next time you see a big rig rolling by, just remember that truck is carrying more than cargo. It's carrying the weight of a nation.